In this video, we'll generate the Euler's cosine formula using Google Sheets WEIBULL, complex IMEXP IMREAL array formula, sequence, and data validation functions. We begin with the value of V, which is data validation, list of items, that's 0.1 up to 10. So this will be, we copy this and paste it here and save. So we can start with 0.1. Likewise W, which is data validation, list of items from 1 to 200. So we copy this and paste here and save. We can start with 1. This is for the WEIBULL function, so we copy this and paste it here and change the color to red. Next, the sequence, the range of the x values. So this is equal to sequence. There's 10, so 10 plus 1, comma, 1 column starting from 0, incremented by 1. And we divide this by V. And this should be an array formula. It is an array formula. Array formula. Next, the function, which is the using the WEIBULL. So array formula, WEIBULL of the x values 1, because this is an equivalent to x1 list, 1 over V, comma, 0, because this is the exponential, that is the decay function, and cosine W times x. And divided by V. So here we have the polynomial and the trend line of the WEIBULL form. Next, we continue with the Euler's formula. So we begin with the complex number. So array formula, complex, minus V times x, comma, W times x, and enter. Next, we continue with this is e to the power, the Euler's number. So this will be IMEXP, IMEXP, that's IMEXP, enter. And finally, we want the real part. So this will be, we want the real part, IMREAL, coefficient of the complex number. The red one are the dots line, they are all the same. If I increase the frequency to 2, I will increase this also to 2. Now they're the same. Increase the blue one to 10. Then I'll increase this to 10. Now they're the same. And so on. And they should be the same. Increase this to 0.5. Increase this also to 0.5. put it back to 2. I have to put this back to 2. Increase this to 10. I can increase this to 10. Change this to 2. Change this also to 2. Now they're the same. Increase this to 100. Then I increase this to 100. Likewise, I can go as far as 10. I'll go as far as 10 here. Increase this to 200. Then I'll increase this to 200. I can put this back to 5, which is an error, so I have to go back to 200. So this completes the use of Weibull function to show the Euler's cosine formula and the other functions like complex, IMEXP, IMREAL, array formula, sequence, and data validation.